New updates on the differential today. It was fixed. It was just the seal. It cost me 200 bucks because it wasn't the differential seal leaking. It was the pinion seal, I believe. And they just pulled the drive shaft out and replaced it. A lot of you guys on Facebook said that, yeah, I didn't think I'd tweet this. A lot of you guys on Facebook said to try it. We determined it wasn't worth it and probably more of a pain. So I got it fixed and we're ready to go. Hopefully we get that brake noise fixed soon and we'll be running 10s against Hoffman Performance. Grinding gears and breaking hearts. Here's Ryan again. Check out his channel, Hoffman Performance. This is his sub he built. Tell me about it. Box sub, I don't know what it is.
I have the amp back here. I'm trying to get it set up how I like it, gain and stuff. Put that underneath. It should be able to slide back a little bit under that bar.
You gonna play it? So you got a kicker back here with a box. Our NOS. Big turbo. The wind is probably ruining this. This is just a test, guys. If it gets uploaded, we're all lucky. Alright, tell me what you got there.
Kicker.
They're going in the front or the back?
Both.
Yes. The answer is yes. Another thing you guys probably know about is the recall, our class act lawsuit on the MT82. And I don't know if that's the transmission you have. Do you know? I don't know. But it's faulty and someone's finally had enough and they're going to court with Ford. So hopefully we can see some sort of replacement or cash response. But we'll have to see how that works out. I would be open to cash, but I doubt we end up getting anything. And the wind's probably ruining all this. But hopefully next time we're going to the other park that cannot be named. Also for future mods and such, I'm going to get a new deck lid because I don't know if you can see it, but this one has been through a lot. And I'm going to hopefully get a cold air intake and some kind of tuner. I don't know which kind yet, but it depends. I've heard some problems with some of them, but it kind of looks like just people not knowing what they're doing. So we'll see how this works out. Yeah, I was driving on 55 today, and a guy in your same color but with the white badges and a different tuner than what you got drove by me.
A different tuner?
Yeah, like, you know, neither do I. But yeah, I looked over at him and, you know, I was just gonna give him that like nod or whatever, and he just like looks down. I'm like, okay. So guys, I have no idea if I'm gonna use this film, but this is the first time trying out 4K. Gave you guys a little update on my differential, as well as hopefully doing something in the future, the close future. But that's all for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave any comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Standing with your phone, you see my car up there, Island. I'm not good.